OneOps, Application Deployment and Infrastructure, comprehensive guide on platforms, environments, and infrastructure management. Explore various platforms available for application deployment and analyze their key components. Understand how each platform fits into your deployment strategy and evaluate their scalability and compatibility with your applications. Learn how assemblies used to create and manage different environments. Understand the importance of maintaining consistency across environments and managing environment-specific configurations effectively. Discover techniques for managing application configurations across various environments. Centralize configuration data, automate updates, and use version control to ensure consistency and reliability. Understand the principles of infrastructure as code, which involves defining infrastructure through code. This approach allows for automated deployment, version control, and easier scaling of infrastructure. Examine various methods for provisioning and managing application environments. Automate environment setup using templates, monitor their health, and adjust resources to meet application demands. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you liked this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.